name is Reema from Good and the team. Today, I'm going to discuss the right way of using electric toothbrush. Using an electric toothbrush the wrong way is surprisingly common and can actually irritate gums or miss plaque, making problems like bleeding gums worse, not better. Some common mistakes people make: brushing too hard, pressing like it's a manual brush, scrubbing back and forth, not needed with electric models, brushing too quickly, not hitting the full 2-minute mark, not angling it towards the gum line, using worn out brush heads. So, the right way to use an electric toothbrush. Let the brush do the work. Don't scrub. Gently hold the brush against the tooth and gum line. Do not scrub. Just guide it tooth to tooth. Light pressure is enough. If your brush has a pressure sensor, let it guide you. Most will vibrate or light up if you press too hard. Brush for a full 2 minutes. Mostly electric brushes, they have a built-in timer. Focus on each quadrant: upper right, upper left, lower right, lower left. Move slowly, about 2 to 3 seconds per tooth surface. Angle the brush head at 45 degrees toward the gum line. This is where plaque hides, right at the gum line. Gently glide the brush along the outside, inside, and chewing surfaces of each tooth. Don't forget behind your front lower teeth, a plaque hotspot. Place your brush heads every 3 months. Worn bristles don't clean effectively and can irritate your gums. Rinse your brush head thoroughly and let it air dry upright. Don't share brush heads even within families. Store it in a clean, dry place. Avoid closed containers that keep moisture in. Using an electric toothbrush the right way, gentle pressure, proper technique, and brushing for 2 minutes helps remove plaque more effectively and improves oral health. With the right habits and regular dental checkups, it's a simple yet powerful tool for a healthier smile. Thank you.